Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use SimpleCirc's new conditional template features for handling gift and group subscription renewals. We'll cover how to write a single template that adapts itself to different kinds of subscribers, regular subscribers, gift givers, and group owners, and how SimpleCirc consolidates multiple gifts and multiple group subscriptions into a single renewal letter or email instead of sending one for each. At the end, I'll show you how to test every scenario before any of it goes out to a real customer. Let's get started. The first concept to understand is consolidation. If a gift giver has more than one active gift subscription, SimpleCirc now bundles all of those gifts into a single renewal mailing instead of sending a separate mailing for each gift. The mailing contains a table listing every gift recipient, name, address, issues remaining, expiration date, and renewal rate, along with a single total at the bottom. The same applies to group subscriptions. A group owner with 20 subscriptions under their account receives one consolidated renewal mailing that lists all 20 instead of 20 separate mailings going to the same place. Consolidation works for both email and white mail. The rest of this video is about how to write a single template that produces output like this, a template that adapts itself based on whether the renewal is going to a regular subscriber, a gift giver, or a group owner. When editing the text section, you now have the option to use conditionals. If gift subscription, if multiple gift subscriptions, if group subscription, if multiple group subscriptions, if qualified free, and if qualified pay, and you can pair that with an else statement and then complete it with end if. Here is how you would set up a conditional in a text section. We'll start with the if statement. So if multiple gift subs, we're going to say the gifts listed below are coming up for renewal, and then we'll show the gift subscription details, which is that table of all of the gift subs that are needing to be renewed. Then we have our else, and the else would be if it's not a multiple gifts subscription, then we're going to say thank you for the gift subscription you've given to Dragon Magazine. It expires on expiration date. And then we conclude that section with the end if. The result is that you only need to maintain one template per channel, one for email and one for white mail, and that single template handles every kind of recipient automatically. Once you've built your template and you want to test it, click on Download Test Letters, and that will download a PDF with one page for each of the different types of recipients. There'll be a page for a regular subscriber, a page for a gift giver that only has a single gift, a page for a gift giver with multiple gifts, a page for a group owner with a single group subscription, and a page for a group owner with multiple group subscriptions. To test your email templates, put your own email address in the email address field, and then select the type of recipient that you'd like to test and send yourself the email. Okay, that's everything I wanted to cover today. To recap, one template per channel, one for email, one for white mail, with conditional blocks like if gift, if group, if multiple gift subs, and if multiple group subs, all of which let you handle every kind of recipient inside a single template. Consolidation gives gift givers and group owners one renewal mailing instead of one per subscription. And the test scenario picker lets you verify each path renders the way you expect before any of it goes out to a real customer. If you have any questions or run into anything that doesn't behave the way you'd expect, please reach out to support and we'll take a look. Thanks for watching.